guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. It is about I think 10:30 in the morning. I just fed the baby, gave him a quick rinse, put him in his new clothes for the day, and he's hanging out with daddy, so I figured I would just get ready and kind of let you guys know what this video is going to be about. I'm trying my hand at vlogging. So if you don't know, I am a mom. I have a 3-month-old baby boy, and as a mother of a newborn, you don't really get time to yourself often. And even though my husband's working from home right now, it's not like he gets to help out as often because he is working and I can't just hand him the baby and walk away. He has work to do. So I don't have time to film makeup videos anymore like I really want to. I really miss playing with makeup. Now that it's been like more than a year of quarantine and more than a year of me really playing with makeup, I'm starting to really miss it. But for today's video, I just wanted to do another fun little vlog, a day in my life. I've actually come to really enjoy editing my vlogs because it's just really fun to look back on the memories and even just to see moments that I might have missed. And it's just nice to know that when Levi's older, he'll have these videos to look back on and see what mommy and daddy were up to. And also for myself, when he's older and in school and I'm sitting at home crying, I'll get to watch these videos and just remember how little he used to be. So there's not much planned for today. I'm literally just gonna go around the house and work on some things that I have been meaning to or that I've been putting off because I don't have time. My husband's not working until 6 p.m. tonight. He has a 6 to midnight shift, so he'll have some time to help me out during the day with the baby. So while he's hanging out with the baby, mommy can get some stuff done around the house. If you don't know, we actually just moved into this house. We moved in the day that we brought him home from the hospital, which was actually his due date. So it's been about 3 months since we've been living here, and I would say that the house is about 95% done. Our countertops finally came in last week, so we're able to cook in the kitchen for the first time yesterday. Again, we've been here for 3 months and we haven't been able to use the kitchen because there's no countertops and everything was just a mess. And the dining room was more like a storage space, but now that we've cleared that out and the kitchen is done, it's just nice to have a kitchen again. So the only thing left in the kitchen to do is to pick out the backsplash, and my dad will install that for us. I've been trying to decide what backsplash I want. There's just so many, you get kind of dizzy after like 30 minutes of browsing through tiles. So that is something I have to work on. But for today, I'm going to be repotting some plants that I went out and purchased yesterday. Just a few succulents to decorate the house with some like live plants. I also want to vacuum the house. The upstairs is literally full of my hair. I vacuum like every other day, but my postpartum hair loss has hit hard and it's kind of scary to see how much hair I lose in a single shower. And even when I vacuum, like a minute later, there's hair everywhere on our floor. So I really have to do the upstairs and give it a good vacuum. I have a huge Amazon shipment coming today because again, now that our kitchen is done, I can start organizing. So I ordered a bunch of kitchen organizers for the drawers and the cabinets, and some stuff to take care of our countertop because it is granite. And my mom actually just called like 30 minutes ago to tell us to come down for dinner, but since Juan is working until midnight, it'll just be me and the baby. So we're gonna drive down to my parents and see my parents and Kathy and the girls. That is the plan. When my Amazon packages come, I'll show you what I got, and then I'll show you how I organized the kitchen too, if everything that's supposed to come for the kitchen comes today. It's like such a big order that it's coming between today, tomorrow, and Friday. So I hate that. I hate it when they split it into different days like that because you're kind of incomplete if you're working on a project and you're waiting for the next piece to come to finish the whole thing. Look, ring the bell. Breakfast and I just put Levi down for his nap. I'm hoping he stays asleep for at least an hour or two so I can get this kitchen and downstairs cleaned up and do all the little chores and errands that I have to do on my list today. So let's just get started. I just turned around and realized that the camera was off. Apparently my battery died and I didn't even notice. I don't know how much of that on camera, but I just switched out the battery, so let's try this again. These two succulents, like, look how tiny and adorable this one is. And they were supposed to go into these little elephant planters that goes on our bookshelves in the living room. I haven't had time to run out to get soil, so I finally picked some up yesterday, and I picked up these adorable little plants as well. This is a tiny baby little fiddle leaf, and then I picked up some more succulents for these planters back here. So we're going to get the bag of soil. So this is the final result. They actually came out pretty cute. I'm sure I could have done it a lot more gracefully and a little bit cleaner, but it is what it is. I am in love with this tiny little fiddle leaf tree. I think it's so cute in this planter. I have no idea where they're going besides the two elephants. They're gonna go on that bookshelf. I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Don't mind our walls and our outlets. My husband has to put the covers on. We finally got covers for them. But yeah, this is what I mean. Like, our kitchen is 95% done. Obviously the backsplash still needs to go on, but at least the countertops are in. I am in love with them. They came out really, really nice. We got the granite top called Black Galaxy. So it's the black granite with tiny specks of rose gold in it, and it glitters and it shines really nicely when the light hits it a certain way. But I'm really happy with the way they came out. And I love our farmhouse sink. I think it's like the perfect size. We bathe the baby in this now, and it's just really nice and big. We're not gonna replace all the appliances because the owner who lived in this house before literally has never used any of the appliances besides the fridge. He never touched the oven. When we opened it, when we moved in, it was brand new, spotless, clean as can be. The microwave we did replace, so that's a brand new microwave that we got. Dishwasher is so like vintage and old looking, but again, it's brand new. He never used it, so it still runs great. So although it's ugly and it doesn't fit the aesthetics, we're not gonna be in a rush to replace it because they are expensive, and this one works perfectly fine. It literally is so old. It has like a dial but it works and it cleans, and we don't use it often. I like to do the dishes and just put our wet dishes in here to dry. So everything in here is clean. So once it dries, I just put it away, and that's how Asians do it. The fridge, however, we are going to replace because, as you can see, it does not fit in this hole that we have. So my dad actually redid this whole part of the kitchen. When we moved in, there were two walls. There was a wall here and a wall over there. Here was a closet for the washer dryer. So the washer dryer would have been in the kitchen. But my dad and his genius brain thought of a solution for it. So we actually moved the washer dryer into the garage, and he knocked down the walls, installed the cabinets, which I love, the wine rack and everything, and built us this little place for our fridge because our fridge used to live over there, and that would have been completely in the way. It would have been like in the way of the garage with how the door opens this way. Like it was a mess when we moved in here, like logistics wise. So he found a solution which turned out so beautiful, and I'm so glad he did it. And he's just a genius. This man is, the way his mind works, I never question it. So yeah, the fridge obviously doesn't fit. We're just gonna move this fridge into the garage so we have an extra fridge for, you know, drinks, extra food. So obviously there's a huge space between the cabinets and this fridge, so we're gonna get a real fridge, like a double door, one that fits in here perfectly, and it's just gonna look really beautiful in this space. So yeah, that is what the kitchen looks like so far. I'm really happy with the way it's turning out. We're just doing things little by little because we don't want to go in debt trying to replace appliances or getting everything the way exactly we want it to look. So I'm just working little by little to make things feel homey and look homey. But so far, I love how this kitchen looks. I love the black countertop with the black appliances and the white cabinets with the black hardware, which again, my dad installed all the hardware and all the cabinets. I wish the microwave wasn't this silver color. I wish it was all black, but what are you gonna do about it? That is our kitchen. Our dining room is still a mess. This room was literally storage before, so at least now we can actually sit down and eat if we wanted to. We still eat out in the living room over there, but I still need to get this figured out. But I would like a bar cart here to kind of just tie the whole room together and put some artwork up. I need to figure out where this Dyson is gonna live. It's been here since we've moved in. I'm not sure if I want to install it here because there is like the rack that you can hang it onto the wall, and that's just where it permanently lives. So I don't know if I want it there. It's kind of weird there in the dining room, but there is literally nowhere else in the kitchen. I don't want it in the living room, of course, maybe in one of the bathrooms or even in the garage. So it just lives here for now. And we need another bench here, or chairs at least, because we only have one bench for this dining room table. So we need a few more, and that is how the house looks so far. The living room is a mess, but I'll give you a quick little tour of it because I have gotten a lot of questions about our house and how it's looking coming along. So this is the living room. Just ignore all the mess. I'm gonna have to clean this up. But this is the downstairs, and then our other bathroom is through that hallway. And I love this window between the living room and the kitchen. You can see through each room, obviously, so like when they're cooking or washing dishes and the baby's playing in the living room, I can keep my eyes on him and not have to worry about what he's doing. My battery is running out again. I don't know why these batteries die so quickly, but before it dies, let's put these little succulents where they belong. So I'm gonna put the big one up here. Let's get its little nose out. So that's pretty cute, just a nice pop of green right there. And then I'm gonna grab the little guy. Is he with this? And I'm gonna put him on the bottom here. So that's really cute. And that's what this shelf looks like right now. Adorable. I don't know what we're doing on this ledge. Right now I just have a few baskets with produce in it, which is helpful when you're on the kitchen side. So if I'm cooking or whatever and I need a potato, I'll just grab a potato out of the basket, cut it up, cook it, blah, blah, blah. But on the other side, looking into the kitchen, it's kind of weird to see like a basket of potatoes, avocados, and tomatoes. So I'm not sure what I want to do with this little area, this little window area. I do want to get 2 plants to hang on either side just to add a bit of greenery, because obviously it's very monochromatic in here. So I think a pop of green with the bamboo and natural wood would look really nice in here. Hi, buddy. You gonna go for a walk? Yes, mommy. You got your fan. You're nice and fancy. You got your jewel towel. Yeah. Let's go, Bubba. You what? Oh. He's waking up. It's the big one. I told you that was like $400 worth of stuff. Hi, baby. Did someone just come by? Oh, they dropped off another box.
Right on top of me.